Awesome. Hello, everyone. I know the day is almost ending, but I promise you what I'm about to present and share is something that you can try out right now for free, which I don't think anyone else can claim that for any other products here today. And more than that, it's the result of our company's work located in San Francisco, where we're building the latest video language models precisely tuned and utilized for driving and robotic footage understanding. We're currently utilized by AV leaders like Zoox, Zendar, who is also presenting here, Mitsubishi Electric, and many other robotics companies in the San Francisco Bay Area, in Europe, and beyond. To try out anything and everything I showed today, it's as simple as going to our website at nomadicai.com and clicking on this big blue button, Try Live Product Demo Now, and it takes you to our operational, live, productionized platform. You can then make a free account, upload your own videos, and do everything I'm about to show to you today. For a very quick background, we have raised around $8.5 million from top-tier VCs and angels like Jeff Dean, Google's chief scientist, Scott Wu, who's Cognition AI, Devon AI Suisse CEO, and many other folks and angels from OpenAI, DeepMind, and beyond. Now, what do we do for automotive verticals? Very specifically, we provide a ChatGPT-like experience for surfacing your driving edge cases, or any specific motion that you are looking for that you can very simply explain in words. They may be instances of vehicles that are double parked, vehicles that are straddling a yellow lane divider, and many other motion instances that may have one or more camera views or LiDAR views or point cloud views. And all we do is be your Waymo level, your Tesla AI level miner. So we surface to you your raw, very own edge cases from your own footage, which is exactly what you need to build your own autonomous vehicles. And precisely for the use case of vision language action model training, we've been working on this for more than a year now and are trusted by top-tier AV builders for precisely automating the use case of, say, driving violation detection, for detecting near misses, big swerves, so on and so forth. This is our actual platform, and what I'll show here are some use cases of how we're used. For example, if you wish to find all instances where the ego vehicle slows down at a stop sign, it's as simple as selecting the videos you want to analyze on, and then very simply giving the query to our Nomadic platform. And what it does is, in a matter of seconds, surface to you these edge case moments. For example, here is one. We have generated this using AI, saying between 41 and 50 seconds, the ego vehicle is approaching a stop sign. Here in this video, we've done that for 13 to 19, but also on 35 to 42 seconds. In seconds, very easily. And then when you apply this to hundreds of videos that also run in minutes, you automate work that used to take you hundreds of hours to mere minutes. If you then wish to, say, analyze an hour-long video to find all instances of pedestrians on the roadside, it's as simple as giving that query, and if the internet cooperates with me here, you'll be able to see, indeed, pedestrians on the road sign with clear and relevant explanations for what's happening. Again, if you just wish to see these examples on your own laptop or phone, please go to nomadicai.com, click on the big blue button that says Try Demo Now, and then click on our examples. These are all one click away for your own use case. We can take in multiple modalities of inputs, whether that's sort of simulated LiDAR and RGB like this, and automate for driving violations. We more recently have invested in agentic processes that force our video language models to reason and show you what it's reasoning. For example, if you want to find all instances of low lane discipline, just like what happened there, again, I'll play it, where the ego vehicle slightly goes over those white lane lines. Our platform is smart enough to say, okay, I gotta look at where the road lanes are. Cool, there they are, let me segment them. Now let me map out what the driving on this road looks like, just like that, following the green path. Except if you noticed, the vehicle swerved to the left of that green path, momentarily. And then what our platform does, our video language models do, is take those inputs and say, okay, the vehicle clearly did not drive in lane here, and this was the sort of bird's eye 3D path that it took instead. We sum all of that up, and in seconds, we give you this. Lane straddling between 6 to 8 seconds. The ego vehicle straddled and displayed low lane discipline, and here's when and how. You can apply this to thousands of videos showing edge cases like this, someone clearly sort of on the road, blocking the ego vehicle's path, to obviously vehicles driving through narrow construction zones where it needs to change lanes, so on and so forth. In addition to other motion instances like this, as well as, these are some fun examples here, but we catch instances when a ladder falls in the road. We catch instances where a trailer's wheel comes off the truck. And these are all results that you don't need to prompt for. You use one of our existing video agents to do so. And when you go to our sample live demo again, you'll be able to run for yourself prompts or utilize any of our existing agents, so on and so forth. Now, one of the last things I want to show here is this animation visualization here. It's not meant for driving. This is more for robotics use cases. But what we're demonstrating here is agentic compound reasoning. If you want to curate the best robotic training data set that is the best at washing dishes, you need videos of people washing dishes. You need videos where the hands are visible to teach the robot how to wash the dishes. But you also need videos that aren't too shaky or that aren't like dark, such that only those great videos that you've chosen, then you can feed as your training data. That's precisely what we do with a very simple prompt, and we do it live for you in seconds. Furthermore, if you're looking for driving-specific sort of motion understanding, like changing lanes and onwards, again, these are part of the agentic processes that we do to reason through and very accurately find lane change instances. And then, of course, we give the reasoning and visualization for how we get this in the first place as well. To, I guess, close the speech off here, this is our tutorial. That itself is very self-serve, but you'll be able to go through and onboard yourself, do it on your very own videos and prompts, and validate for yourself the power of the Nomadic platform before even talking to us or paying a single cent. And you'll be able to do automated statistical analyses, as well as converting the most unstructured data type out there, video, to structured data, and do this either on our UI platform or through our very simple and useful Nomadic Python SDK. Thank you so much for your time, and if you have any questions, we're in the startup area. Again, my name is Mustafa. Our company is called Nomadic. We're based in San Francisco, serving multiple Fortune 500s and the latest autonomy vehicle builders in the world. Thank you so much.